how to connect apps to your Discord account in the mobile app. Want to link Spotify, YouTube, or Xbox to your Discord profile? Here's how you can do that. So click on the top left of your screen and then select your profile at the bottom and then select settings at the top right. So this will take you here. So in here, go ahead and look for the connections tab. So click on it and then in here click on add and then select the app that you want to connect to your Discord account. So make sure that that account is signed in into your mobile device to easily connect and authorize connection in between accounts. So for example, I want to connect my Spotify account. I'll simply select Spotify and that will redirect me here. And then you need to authorize the connection between your Spotify account and your Discord account to connect your accounts. And that is how to connect apps to your Discord account in the mobile app.